Transferring money from Gcash to GoTyme Bank is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, you have to visit the official website or contact GoTyme Bank's customer support to understand their services, including whether they support incoming transfers from Gcash. Now, if GoTyme Bank supports incoming transfers, check if they provide an account number and routing details or any specific instructions. Then link your GoTyme Bank account to your Gcash account. Now this might involve adding the bank account details within the Gcash application. Once you're done with this, open up the Gcash application on your mobile device. Then navigate to the Cash In or Send Money section, depending on the app's interface. After that, choose the option that allows you to send money to a bank account. Now enter the required details, including the GoTyme Bank account number, routing information, and any other necessary information. Then follow the prompts to complete the transfer. After initiating the transfer, wait for the processing to be completed. Now, the duration can vary, so check with Gcash for estimated processing times. Once you're done with this, contact the GoTyme Bank or check your GoTyme Bank account to confirm that funds have been successfully transferred. So this is how you can transfer money from Gcash to GoTyme Bank.